I'm going to start by checking my Python version. I'm going to do that with -- version on Python 3, the program. And it's 3.7.0. That's a new version, so I'm ready to go. I'm going to create this folder called encryption. And I'm going to enter it. And I'm going to create a file called encryption.py. .py is the extension for Python files. And now I'm going to open it using a shortcut for my favorite editor, Sublime Text. You can use any editor you want. Here I'm opening it from the command line. So there's the file. It's completely empty, as you can see. And the first thing we're going to do is add this hash bang. So it's basically this hash or pound sign followed by the exclamation sign, which is known as bang in programming, and then slash, and then bin env python 3. And that means use Python 3 to run the contents of this when you run this as a script instead of just as a Python script that you need to pass to Python 3. And we'll see what that looks like in the command line. So first, it's not going to do anything. We're just going to say hello. And so that's our simple Python script. If we go back to the command line, we are going to run this command called chmod a+x, meaning make this executable. And we're going to give it the name of our file. So now, if we look, we will see that there's the flag set so that this is an executable file. It's not just a program anymore that's a text. It's actually possible to run this from the command line on its own. So if we do this, if we just do /, which means execute this, there we go. It provides our output, hello. So we have created an executable Python script. We don't even need to do anything like, say, Python 3 encryption.py. That will still work, but because of that hash bang we put in, we can now start doing interesting stuff without having to call the Python program. We can call this directly. And so we're going to start adding some actual command line functionality in the next lecture.